Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got a watch that I could not wait to open up. I will be honest with you, this is not a true unboxing because as soon as I got this thing in, I took it out, I resized it, and I actually wore it out last night to dinner. So it's not a true unboxing, but I got to go over this watch with you guys, and I'm going to go over it with some detail. So you guys can check it out and see if you guys want to pick one of these things up for yourself. But before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for everything you do, all the subscribing, liking, commenting, and your general interaction with the channel always does help out, and I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for everything you do. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune, and if you do like that concept, please consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel today, be sure to check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune as far as footwear is concerned. So, without further ado, let's get into this box and show you which watch I am talking about today. It was just such an amazing watch that when I got it, I could not wait to open it up. So like I said, I did have to resize it right away and put it on, and I wore it out to dinner last night. So, very wonderful watch by, if you know the box, then you know it's an Invicta. Very good quality when it comes to Invicta watches. So, let's take a look and see what we have in the box from Invicta today. Now, keep in mind, I am not sponsored by Invicta in any way. I will provide an affiliate link in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick this watch up for yourself. But I am not sponsored by Invicta. It is an affiliate link through Amazon.com, and that link will provide me a small commission if you decide to purchase this watch using that link, and that is very much appreciated. So let's get in and take a look at this watch. It's just a beautiful, beautiful watch by Invicta. And if you know Invicta, you know that they come out with a lot of really loud, obnoxious watches. But this watch right here is actually something that is very, very nice. And it's great. It's a great price. It's a beautiful watch. And the MSRP on this watch is $595. But wait until you hear what the price is on this watch. So stay tuned for that. You're not even going to believe the deal you can get on this watch. But anyhow, I just fell in love with this watch from the minute I saw it online. And as soon as I got it in, I had to have it. This watch is the Invicta 30022. This is, I've heard it called the Hammerhead dial or the Hammerhead watch. I call it affectionately the shark dial, because if you do notice, it does have a hammerhead shark right on the dial itself, and also on the unidirectional dive bezel, it has a hammerhead shark on it. And I mean, in the video, this kind of looks like it's a black color, but actually it's a turquoise color in real life. It's a really, really nice turquoise color, and they have this in a couple of different colors as well. They have this in a black dial with a silver bracelet. They also have this thing in an all turquoise dial, which I'm going to be picking up one of those because I like this one so much. I'm actually going to get both of them. But it is a wonderful watch. It is a quartz watch with a flame fusing crystal for the extra scratch resistance on the crystal itself. And it does have that domed bubble Cyclops eye for the date. It is a date format watch. Very large magnification on that, as well, as you can see in the video here. You can see it's really, really big magnification. Like I said before, it is a quartz movement, but it's the PC32 quartz movement assembled in Japan. 43 millimeter case, stainless steel bracelet with the stainless steel clasp, safety clasp. It's a very wonderful watch. It feels great on the wrist. It's just the right size for me if you're looking for a regular sized watch that's not too gigantic, as some of these Invicta watches can be very, very big. But this one is just the right size for me. I really, really love it. I would say it's about the same quality as something like a Steel Dive, like this one here. It's about the same size. It's really good quality, great quality watch. Like I said before, it's a Japanese quartz movement PC 32 caliber, with the screw down crown and the unidirectional bezel. It is the date format, with the date at the 3 o'clock position. And one thing I really do love about this watch is the wave pattern that goes around where the indices are for the hours. Really nice. And I do love that they put that shark on the front of the dial. The gold on this thing is really nice. It's kind of it's more of a realistic looking gold. It doesn't look too gold. Like some of the watches, they have that really gold look to them. But this watch is really, it's kind of like almost like a white gold in a lot of ways, but it's really beautiful looking watch. It does have 100 meters of water resistance, so it's not suitable for actual diving, but surfing, swimming, snorkeling, general water sports, you should be okay with it according to the website. Um, like I said, stainless steel bracelet with the safety clasp. This thing actually has 4.6 stars out of almost 7,000 ratings. And guys, the price on this, you're not even going to believe it. You can pick this guy up on Amazon right now for 65 bucks. It's just under $65. I would definitely head on over and pick this thing up right away, because I'm not sure how long that price is going to last. It's just under 65 bucks, and that's a great deal for the spec that you get on this watch. Just a wonderful looking watch all around. Let's put this thing on and show you what it looks like on the wrist. It's just amazing. I wore this out last night and actually got a compliment on it at the first place that I went to last night. Took it out at we went to a wine bar last night. I actually posted a short of that on my channel as well last night as I was out at the wine bar. And just wonderful looking watch. Definitely will garner some compliments. Looks great on the wrist, feels great on the wrist. The unidirectional bezel has no play in it whatsoever. It's a very nice quality watch from Invicta. Invicta does have some great quality watches. Like I said, resizing it was not a problem at all. Very easy to resize it. I pulled out a couple of links and it fits perfectly. Looks great on the wrist. Like I said, you will get some compliments out of this thing, and it's just a great watch all around, especially for the price. Like I said, I'm actually going to buy the twin of this watch with the turquoise dial, just so that I can have them both because I just like it so much. So if you are interested in picking up this watch, definitely click on that affiliate link below. And you can have one of these. I believe in my area anyway, on Amazon Prime, I was able to get this the very next day. So you might even be able to pick one of these things up and get it by tomorrow. So definitely check out that link below. See if you like the watch. If you can pick up that great deal under $65, this is definitely a great watch to add to your collection. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and today we've got the Invicta 30022 Shark Dial Hammerhead watch. So if you do like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to my channel, be sure to check out Dave the Shoe Man, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune as far as footwear is concerned. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video on Dave the Shoe Man. So once again, thank you guys all, and I hope you have a great rest of the weekend. I will see you guys next time.